Hi, hello, my people. I'm so excited to be here once again. Yeah, I want to quickly share this with you because I thought of it. Self service machine. Can this really work in Nigeria? But irrespective, we still just have to note and look at how we can really be innovative and make things work for us. I was thinking, can people really be honest to be able to give account of everything they shop in a store and make payment for them all in Nigeria? But I know it's still possible because look, this machine have been developed to also, take into cognizance that some people might want to really make a fast one on the organization. This is actually a time-saving machine. The developed country have made it so easy for everyone to be able to run without really wasting time. A timeless or community is a non-growing community, and it is high time we also put into consideration that everything just have to be put in place. Don't think of it not working. Just make sure that you put enough measures in making it to work. There's a camera attached to this system. When we also wanted to put in the bananas that we bought, yes, I intentionally wanted to test how can this really recognize that the banana we bought is 7 and we put in 5. Immediately after putting 5, because it's calculating it per unit. A unit of this banana was 14 penny. Yeah, 0.14. And immediately we put in 5, it wrote error. It means it's able to recognize that what was put in place, what was being calculated is more than 5, and we couldn't move ahead. So a representative of the organization have to get close and ensure that this error was corrected before we could move on. So things can really work in Nigeria if we are able to look at it. This is the point. The banana we are going to look at it now. By the time she puts in the banana, she's going to type the numbers of banana. Intentionally typed 5. Look at it. It intentionally typed 5, and immediately it plays an error that we can't go ahead because the banana is actually not 5 but 7. So these are we need to be really really creative in Nigeria to ensure that we do we make things work. Don't see it as people can't be honest, nobody will declare the numbers is buying, nobody. There are measures to be able to get at anybody that wants to do anything funny. Look at it. We couldn't go ahead until their representative came in and corrected the error and put in the number of bananas that we actually wanted to buy. So that is it. Everything have been put in place to work. So let us also invent this type of thing. This is a machine that does the calculation for yourself. So in a supermarket, this is my dream type of machine for my supermarket. Yes, having about 10 of this machine, people will come in, make their purchases, make their payment themselves and leave. We are getting there in our country. Let us recognize that. And it's really, really very interesting, and I need to share this on this platform. Innovative things for business owners. This is what we share here, and I'm really excited to carry you through this journey. Yes, and after adding up everything, you make your payment within a twinkle of an eye. The payment is gone. This is stress-free, time saved. This is what we need in our country, and believe me, we can achieve it if we put our mind at it. It's so interesting to have to see this. I've been saying it, but I need to share it with we all here because it's really, really innovative. Let's be creative. Let's bring in new things into the system. Let's make things work. It can really work if we put our mind at it. Self-service machine is very awesome for every business owner. You can really have this work for your business if you are ready. Don't say, they will steal all my market, they will do this. Let us just try it. Put a representative there. They can't go when any item is not being machined. The machine won't give them a go ahead. Look at how it runs. That is it. And if you have any comment to give about this, What do you feel? And how do you feel about it? Can it work in Nigeria? What are the disadvantage of having this machine in Nigeria? What are the things that could be added to make it work? What are the things that you think still needs to be done? This is Audi store. Yes, Audi local store is a very good store for any business owner. Very stable and very good store.